The dodo, a flightless bird native to the island of Mauritius, has become a universal symbol of extinction. Its peculiar appearance and tragic fate resonate deeply, prompting us to reflect on humanity's impact on the natural world. This is the story of how a unique creature vanished forever. Mauritius, a volcanic island in the Indian Ocean, was once an isolated paradise. For millions of years, its unique environment allowed species to evolve without the threat of large predators. This isolation shaped the dodo into the extraordinary bird it became. The dodo was a large, ground-dwelling pigeon weighing around 23 kilograms. Its wings, once functional for flight, had atrophied over generations. It had no need to fly in a world where danger simply did not exist. Its diet consisted mainly of fallen fruits, seeds, and nuts from the island's abundant vegetation. The dodo played a vital role in its ecosystem, particularly in seed dispersal, helping to propagate the very trees that sustained it. Life for the dodo was remarkably peaceful. With no natural predators like large mammals or birds of prey, it developed no fear response towards other creatures. This evolutionary adaptation, or lack thereof, would ultimately prove to be its undoing. The dodo's trusting nature meant it had no instinct to flee from danger. It was slow-moving and curious, an easy target for any new arrival. This innocence, born of isolation, left it utterly unprepared for the changes to come. The year 1598 marked a turning point for Mauritius and its unique inhabitants. Dutch sailors navigating the spice routes stumbled upon the uninhabited island. They were the first humans to set foot on dodo territory. These early explorers found a land teeming with life, including the strange plump birds they called dodo, meaning simpleton or fool in Dutch. The name reflected the bird's apparent lack of fear. The sailors, often at sea for months, saw the dodo as an easy source of fresh meat. They hunted the birds with little effort, as the dodos showed no inclination to escape. This direct exploitation began the species' rapid decline. While hunting certainly contributed, the dodo's extinction was primarily driven by indirect factors. The arrival of humans brought with it a host of invasive species that wreaked havoc on the island's delicate ecosystem. Rats, pigs, and macaques, introduced by the ships, quickly established themselves on Mauritius. These animals were voracious predators of dodo eggs and chicks, which were laid in nests on the ground, completely unprotected. The dodo's slow reproductive rate meant it could not replenish its numbers quickly enough to withstand these new threats. Each lost egg or chick represented a significant blow to the population. Furthermore, the clearing of forests for agriculture and settlement destroyed the dodo's habitat. Its food sources dwindled, and its nesting grounds vanished. The cumulative impact was devastating. The dodo's population plummeted with alarming speed. Within decades of human arrival, its numbers were critically low. The last widely accepted sighting of a dodo occurred in 1662. By 1681, less than a century after its discovery, the dodo was officially declared extinct. Its disappearance was so swift that many in Europe doubted its very existence, believing it to be a mythical creature. Only a few skeletal remains and fragmented accounts remained as proof of its former presence. The dodo became a ghost, a stark reminder of what could be lost. The dodo's story eventually gained prominence, becoming a powerful symbol in the burgeoning field of natural history. Its tragic end highlighted the irreversible consequences of human activity on biodiversity. It inspired artists, writers, and scientists, cementing its place in popular culture. The dodo's image, often depicted as clumsy and melancholic, serves as a constant reminder of past ecological mistakes. The dodo's extinction offers invaluable lessons for today's world. It underscores the importance of protecting isolated ecosystems and their unique inhabitants. Every species plays a role, and its loss creates irreparable gaps. It teaches us about the dangers of invasive species, which remain a leading cause of biodiversity loss globally. Careful management and prevention are crucial to safeguarding native wildlife. Most importantly, The dodo's fate emphasizes the profound responsibility humanity holds as the dominant species on Earth. Our actions have far-reaching consequences, impacting countless other forms of life. The dodo's legacy is a call to action. It urges us to learn from the past, to champion conservation, and to strive for a future where no other creature vanishes as silently and tragically as the dodo of Mauritius.